Crown Textile, in collaboration with Diwan International, is moving decisively toward a sustainable and energy-efficient future with a high-impact solar power initiative. Driven by a strong commitment to reduce carbon emissions and optimize operational efficiency, Crown Textile has successfully installed a 940 kilowatt solar power system, marking a significant milestone in clean energy adoption within the textile sector. This robust solar solution generates over 1.372 million units of clean electricity every year, ensuring uninterrupted, reliable, and renewable power for industrial operations. The financial benefits are remarkable. For Crown Textile, this transition results in annual electricity cost savings of more than 57.65 million rupees, strengthening business stability while safeguarding against escalating energy prices. The environmental impact is just as powerful. By reducing dependence on conventional energy sources, this solar project helps cut down approximately 618 tons of carbon emissions every year. That's equivalent to planting around 29,400 trees annually. A meaningful step toward cleaner air, climate responsibility, and a greener future. This successful collaboration between Crown Textile and Diwan International highlights how industrial excellence and environmental responsibility can progress together. It's not just a solar installation, it's a long-term vision of sustainability, resilience, and responsible growth. Crown Textile is Diwan International, empowering industry with clean energy, protecting nature and shaping a brighter tomorrow.